guys, welcome back to my channel, Living Learning with me, Cindy, the LD coach. Today I want to share with you the strategy I use to teach my students how to write how-to paragraphs. In addition, we did a cute little activity where my students were assigned to write a how-to paragraph on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So after each student wrote their paragraph, they then had to try to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich based on the paragraphs of one of their classmates. Well, needless to say, it took a while before we were able to get that one perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but we kept going until everybody was able to make themselves a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I would like to go ahead on and show you a little bit of footage from that process. I know how to make a peanut butter sandwich. First, if you want to make a sandwich, get the bread. Next, get a can of peanut butter. Then spread the peanut butter on the bread.
Well, how can I spread the peanut butter if I don't have the bread?
Exactly.
It didn't make any sense, no.
So do you guys see how detailed you have to be in order to do a how-to? Oh, so you left out. So what we need to do, we have to go back and proof this, right?
Yes.
And make some corrections. Okay.
First, open the bread. Then grab and open the PB.
Peanut butter.
Next.
What did he say? He didn't say what to do next. What is going to be next?
Next, have a little bit of PB with a knife of spoon.
How?
So,
And I said knife or spoon.
but
Oh, okay. Next.
so, but you didn't tell. But you just said have some with a knife or a spoon. You didn't tell her what to do. She confused.
No, like, get it out in the bag.
I mean, if I keep
Yeah,
going, we
yeah.
might get somewhere.
Well, no, because he didn't tell her get the bread out either, did he?
Right?
Let me
Awesome. So we have to go back, David.
I would like to explain how to make a peanut butter sandwich. First, grab 2 pieces of bread out of the packaging and place on the board. Okay, cutting board. Next, grab 2 peanut butter and jelly jars. Then twist open the 2 peanut butter and jelly jars. And grab a knife and put some of the peanut butter and spread it on the bread. And do the same thing with the jelly. I like that.
Good job. I love you using that vocabulary too, Peyton. Packaging. Ms. Lumpkin would have just said bag, but packaging is a nicer word. I'm sorry. Take your time. Make your peanut butter and jelly sandwich, Charlie.
Finally, press the 2 pieces of the bread together, and there you have your peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Go ahead and eat.
Good job.
Okay, so that was fun, right? Well, this is the strategy that I use to teach my students how to write how-to paragraphs. So this is a ditto sheet that I made, and basically it's just a review sheet. This is not the first time that I actually taught this lesson. And if you guys would like to have a copy of that lesson plan, just let me know. I've been saying that I really wanted to try to use TPT. Teachers Pay Teacher Store, and this may be something I upload if you guys find any interest in it. But anyway, the formula that we use to write how-to paragraphs is topic sentence, first, next, then, and finally. And basically, I also taught this in addition to using a sequencing strategy for comprehension. So they were already familiar with these clue words that kind of let you know the order of things. I felt like it just really worked well together because I was simultaneously teaching 2 different I guess, disciplines, but working on the same thing. And I felt like it really helped them to really grasp the skills that I have been trying to teach them as far as this. And so as you can see right here on the left hand side, I just asked a couple of questions as far as just trying to get them to define sequencing. And then wanting them to be able to connect the fact that we had also been talking about sequencing and the reading. So that's where else have we talked about sequencing, and what does a how-to paragraph do? Basically, it gives one the order or the steps needed to complete a certain task. And why is order important? So if you've seen this strategy before, you probably have seen it without the topic sentence, and with it being taught with first, next, then, and finally. Well, I decided to add the topic sentence. One, because my students have a very difficult time writing, and I decided to include topic sentence as a part of this little strategy and this acronym because I teach writing paragraphs with the end goal of them at some point accomplishing the hard task of writing a 5-paragraph essay. And so when I teach my students in general how to write a paragraph, I teach them to use the 5-sentence method. Topic sentence, 3 supporting details, and then finally. I thought it was too confusing to ask them to consistently write how-to paragraphs without having the topic sentence. And so basically, I included it so that it could just continue to be a seamless process, because my expectation is that once we do get to that point of writing essays, those 3 supporting paragraphs need to be at least 5 sentences. So I just thought it would save me a lot more time with them maybe getting confused or, feeling like they didn't have to use my 5-sentence approach. Anywho, last but not least, down here, as you can see, it says memorize this formula, topic sentence, first, next, then, and finally. Some of my students still are not able to do just in general a paragraph that encompasses a topic sentence, 3 supporting details, and finally. Believe it or not, for some reason, it just eludes them. I could say, give me 1 paragraph about what you did over the weekend, and it is very difficult for them, and they are really inconsistent with being able to write a 5-sentence paragraph like that. So that was one of the reasons why I came back to do a how-to paragraph, because with given those clue words, they understand, or they're able more consistently to give me the 5 paragraphs that I asked for. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. All right, see you next time.